This is a bird bath in dire need of help. It's actually bleeding rust into the water, which is not good for birds. I don't feel it, but it gets filled by rain and I don't want to harm the birds. I believe rust is coming from this hole. Let me dump this filthy water to see clearly. Seems like the reinforcement inside is rusted and the hole is filled with dirt. Definitely not good for birds. And it's also missing a big piece here. This was a complete junk, so I placed it at the curb, but then I changed my mind because I found a way to fix this easily. It didn't take too long and it turned out so pretty. First, I washed it really well and also sprayed it with 50-50 bleach and water solution to kill the stubborn algae buildup. The surface is totally clean, free of dirt and algae. I'll be using this hydraulic cement product by Quickread. I've never used it before, but it's supposed to dry up quickly, which might be a challenge. I have a bag of seashells and a bag of glass stones from the dollar store for some fun decoration. Since this dries quickly, I decided to work in sections and made small batches. It says to wear gloves and use your hands to mix it. It kind of feels like clay. It's a bit stressful to have to work quickly, and I needed time to place my shells and stones before it dried up. You have to keep the material moving with your hands. I found that helped to increase the work time with it. Because of the rush, I couldn't get glass stones to align perfectly. This is the second batch. And the third batch. I could easily form the missing piece here just by shaping it with my hand. I didn't like how the glass stones were just sitting on the surface rather than embedded, so I mixed some regular concrete mix and covered the center and the stones with it. I wiped off the glass and also removed big chunks of the pebbles from the cement mix using some old rag. Let it dry for 24 hours. I think it looks beautiful. The dead bird bath came back to life. Hydraulic cement turned out to be a great product. I like the result a lot. Make sure to watch my other bird bath videos from these links and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this one. See you in the next video.